All right, what's going on, guys? Happy Wednesday. Hope everybody's having an awesome week. I'm just doing a little bit of an account update. I did not do one yesterday because I was thinking about it, and I don't know if I'll be making a video every day. I'll try to pop one out every like 2 to 3 days just to keep I feel like sometimes maybe if I have a loss in one day or something like that, unless there's a key lesson that I learned. I don't know if you guys will get bored just seeing like small wins or losses each day. So I'll do it like maybe in every 2 days or something like that. We'll see. Maybe like 2, 3 videos a week. Account is looking pretty good, guys. We are almost halfway there. We're at 1245 up. We're sitting at 1245 up, and we're having a nice green week. We're up almost $1,000 on the week. Really solid. I want to go over really quick yesterday. Yesterday was nice. I'll go back to the journal really quick because shout out to the one guy who said, "Yeah, dude, I'd be curious to see your journals, like what you're journaling, because I wasn't journaling, and it feels really good to be back because now I know and I see like where I'm going wrong and stuff like that." But this was yesterday, December 10th. You can see actually 4 trades. One was a break-even trade. The rest were wins. One trade I held longer, like you guys have been saying, hold it longer, and I had a little bit of not a wide stop, but a little bit of a wider stop. It was a 1 to 3 risk to reward, which is awesome. 260 win. Then we just got some small like kind of scalps on this, so that wasn't as good. This was the trade. Let's see. This was pretty much. This was the nice long hold. I could see. Yeah, so this was my first entry. It was long off strong reversal. I won't go too much into my trades because I don't think you guys really care too much. But yeah, pretty much after this reversal, we found like a little bit of like a pivot or like a low or higher low. And then I just entered that to try it. And we closed out. We had a nice long run. And then I just shorted the trend line crack here, closed it out. Then short trend line crack here, closed it out. These were scalps. Took another trade, but I didn't even really journal it too much because I did enter on accident, and then I closed it out. And I was actually proud of myself, guys, because the old me, sometimes if I would enter a trade on accident, I would be like, all right, well, let's just see if I can pull a little bit of profit out of it. And then it would always end up going against me usually, but I ended up closing that out. It was like break even. It was less than a $5 win or loss, so I didn't even really do too much. But let's go into today's trades. So starting off the morning, I had 2 losses. They were nice and small. I'll go into what they were just really quick. Don't worry, I won't bore you guys with the trade, but and it was off MNQ. I pretty much longed it here, stopped out here, shorted here, then got stopped out here. And I told myself when I got stopped out from the trend line crack, the reason I entered that trend line crack was I have a gold circle for short. Just not confuse the entries, but it touched it, failed, touched it, failed. I was like, okay, we're failing around this area. Touched it, got a little bit above, failed. Got back up, failed, and then cracked the trend line. I was like, all right, let me try this, see if we can get a move down to like maybe here or here. We shot right back up, and when I saw that strength, I was like, all right, this thing, my analysis for the morning was like, this thing looks strong, this thing looks like it wants to rip. We have a lot of the daily, the hourly, everything looked really good set up for the longs. So entered as it broke above this, and then we closed out actually into here. My stop loss, actually, I did record this trade, so maybe I'll throw a clip in with it right here. But yeah, that was that trade. And let's see really quick. Then I will be honest with you guys, as you can see in my journal, I started over. So that was a nice 310. That was a good risk to reward compared to the morning. I'm just gonna be completely honest. I kind of went on an over trading spree throughout here. At one point, I did give my losses back. or my wins back. So I started off the morning with like a small loss, got up from the one trade, but then we gave it all back. And I was not happy with myself here. I was like, what is going on? So I was up, 50, got down to 11. I took one last trade on the day. 1 second. Oh, my dog wants to go out. Go, bud. All right. This was my final trade, and oh wait, no. Yeah, this was my final trade. I think my stop actually was like in here. I don't know if I put that right, but that made it all back. Yeah, we got caught up. Well, no, that actually, so that's where I went wrong, guys. I started trading in this shop. I went down to like plus 10 after being up 230, and then we kind of traded and scalped throughout this mess. And I don't. I just want to be completely like just put it up front that I don't know where I was entering, and that's when you know that it wasn't good setups and stuff like that. But it's a learning lesson. I'm glad I could look back at that and really see like, whoa, what was I doing? Because then I got up to like 100 something throughout here, and then I re-entered this long after like we bounced off uptrend, and then closed out here, and we ended up 370 on the day. So happy with that, but honestly, I would have been happier closing out at 230, and I wrote that in my thing that I would have been happier to close out at the 230 or 220, and I was 230. So wait, let me actually go back to that. It's like 225. I would have been happier just closing out and locking out for the day at 225 up on the day than doing all this extra stuff because, yeah, guys, I don't know. I took like 5 trades within this area. Wasn't good, but we are up 370 on the day, and we live to fight another day. We're getting a little bit of a nice green streak going. Don't want to celebrate anything too early or anything like that. I'm just, like I said, trying to trade this not too aggressively. I'm treating this as if the account's funded, and I'm acting like the account's funded and just trying to stick to my rules. That's all it is. And yeah, guys, want to do the little update. That's really it. I'll probably make another video Friday, just ending the week. So with that being said, I hope everybody makes it a great week. Stick to your plan, stay disciplined, and let's make each other proud. With that being said, I will catch you guys Friday. Peace.